What is up, guys? My name is Chris, aka the Unlucky Gamer, and I'm gonna be doing Team of the Week, Team of the Year, Pro Pack opening, and some regular Pro Packs. I got all this for you. I'll start off with the Pro Packs first, then I'll do the Team of the Year. Hopefully, I'll get a couple elites. Starting off with 75. Now 77 cornerback. Let's go, baby. I'm feeling it. Nope, another 75 safety. Come on. 77 cornerback. It's alright if I don't get any elites. I'll just put these in the 10 trophy packs, in the 6 trophy packs, and then gain a couple elites. And then I'll just sell it for 10k each and make my money back. 75 defensive end. So far, these Pro Packs being a little cruddy. I haven't gotten anything good yesterday or today. 84. Last Pro Pack. Let's see if we can clutch out the Pro Packs with an elite. Or at least 2 golds. Nope, just an 81 receiver. Okay, time for Team of the Year. I'll open the reward pack first. And it's a silver trophy. Now I'll open the real Team of the Year packs. These cost a crap ton of money, guys, so 83, 76, 81, 75, 84, Week 6 Panthers in Seattle. Seattle Seahawks. Come on, baby. Our Team of the Week player in this is an 82 linebacker. Come on. I need at least one elite player from all these packs. If I don't, that would just be terrible. Would be nice would be an elite Team of the Week player. But I'm not gonna get that. I've gotten him twice, once yesterday and one today. He's not bad, he sells for about 50k. At least we got one elite. That'll bring back some money. Sweet. Now I can go trade those in for everything. What is this? I think I might try it out. I have a few of those. Let me just find them. Nope. Come on, where is it? Oh, here it is. Wow. Just need one of these. I need 9 more and then I'll get it. Game of the year. I'm gonna try this maybe. And then I'll try this. It's gonna take forever to get that. Shoot, why'd I just do that? I'm gonna go to upgrades. Some packs. Got a decent amount of gold players. That's gonna be at least 3, 4, 10 trophy packs. And then I also got a crap ton of silver players. What I found is hitting reveal all gives you a better chance of getting an elite, like it just did right there. Now I'll try without the reveal all, and I probably won't get an elite, just to show you guys. Half the time when I just tap, I normally get both silver and bronze and then like 1 gold. Oh, I got 1. Yeah, so I'm making a couple elites. But now that I got those, I can do, I think I need, I'm not sure, but I might be able to do gold player. I'm not gonna get rid of my team of elite players. I'm pretty sure they'll sell for a good amount. Same with the road sign players. I'm gonna try another reveal. I'll see if I can get a few elites. 1, 2, 3. Sweet. 30k right there. And I'll do the silver trade-ins and make a crap ton. The more elites, the better, though. Nope, none here, just a bunch of silver and bronze trophies. I'm hoping for at least 2 more elites. I'd say that would be fair. Saying how much money I spent on all those packs. There's 2 gold. Getting there. Now just switch those 2 golds with elites and I'll be good. I'll open that after too. Sorry about my crappy internet, guys. Sweet, now we banged out 1, now we just need to smash out another. Won't be able to do that right now, so let me try the bronze trophy trade-ins. I'll only try 1 more pack and then, because I know these are probably boring for you guys. If they are, leave a comment and I will stop doing so much of. If you like it, comment, and then I'll figure it out. Okay, so I got all those done. Now I'll do a premium pack that I just won. Probably not gonna get anything good, just a couple golds and silvers. Yeah. So yeah, I don't think there's much more packs I can do right now. Oh wait, I still got, promised you guys the gold one. I mean the elite player. Hold on, let me try to see something. Let me see if I can do a flashback pack. If I can, do one of these instead of elite player. I need 2 more and a few gold. So I might just pause the video in a minute and then go buy 2 more elite trophies. Let me see if I can do anything about that. Okay guys, I am back. Time to do our last flashback pack, or our flashback pack that I promised you guys. Hoping to at least get a 90. Sorry about that loud noise. Wow, Ted Ginn Jr. I got him last time I did it. Freaking annoying. He sucks. And then he's only worth like, I don't know, like 30k. Did I spell his name wrong? I think I put 2 D's, yeah. Let's see. Probably worth like 30k. So I'll put him as an elite. Yeah, around 30k. So that was a waste. Could have sold each of those trophies for at least 10,000 and made about, I don't know, like it was 17, so 170,000. Also the gold trophies, which I sell for about 5,000. So, and I think there was 7. And 7 times 5 is 35,000. So about 200,000. But oh well, it was worth it. It was for you guys. Okay, so that is it. Please like, subscribe, and peace.